Hey, traders. Wait, look at this. Look at this. Oh, man. This is wild. Bittensor just jumped 16% this week. Yeah, 16. And now it's kind of hovering right around $287. And even though the 24-hour trading volume is a little down, just a little, the big question is this the start of some fresh bullish momentum, or is it just one of those sneaky traps? I mean, gosh, it feels like it could be something, right? And look, we just shared our latest breakdown, the key support levels, the potential targets, all of it. It's live right now on our Patreon. I mean, it's there. It's actually there. You can go see it. And the tester plan, I love this. It's only $10. 10. Just a super simple way to see if the whole thing matches your trading style. You know? Like opening that drawer you never check and suddenly finding exactly what you needed. So yeah, check the link in the description. It's right there, just waiting for you. Oh, and disclaimer time, always do your own research. Seriously, D-War, this is not financial advice.